In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an endless animated ocean in Cinema 4D without physical waves. We'll build the look entirely with a large plane, procedural materials, and animated noise, so you get beautiful motion without the overhead of physical wave simulations. Start by dropping a plane into your scene and make it very large so it stretches far past the camera's horizon. Increase the plane's width and height segments so there's enough geometry for displacement to work smoothly. This alone sets up the endless feel. Create a new material and apply it to the plane. In the color channel, choose a noise shader and set a deep blue or teal tint. Adjust the global scale to define the pattern size and give the noise a subtle animation speed so the color gently shifts. Now, enable the displacement channel in the material and load another noise. Use intensity, centered, and set a modest height to keep the surface believable. If your mesh is light, you can turn on sub-polygon displacement for extra detail at render time. To drive convincing surface motion, add a displacer deformer as a child of the plane. In its shading tab, choose noise and pick a watery type. Set the noise space to world so the pattern doesn't slide across the surface, then dial in height for the wave amplitude. Animate the noise's speed rather than moving textures. This keeps the motion continuous and avoids visible tiling. For realism, enable transparency in the material and set the index of refraction around 1.33 to match water. In reflectance, add a GGX layer with Fresnel set to dielectric at the same index. Lower roughness for crisp highlights and tweak reflection strength so glints feel natural without blowing out. To add depth, layer multiple noises at different scales. Use the layer shader to combine a large, slow swell with finer, faster ripples and vary their speeds slightly. This breaks repetition and sells the ocean's complexity. If the surface looks too busy up close, reduce the displacer height and let the material's displacement add the fine detail. Subtlety sells scale. For long, uninterrupted shots, keep each noise layer's animation speed gentle, in the 0 point something range, and offset their seeds or phases so the patterns don't line up. To boost realism, drive reflections with a soft sky or HDRI rather than a black environment, and keep the plane free of edges in camera view to preserve that seamless, endless horizon. Finally, frame your camera low, keep the plane expansive, and preview the animation to balance speed, scale, and displacement height. When you're happy, render with enough subdivisions for smooth results.